Hey folks, Keith with 93 Lumber coming back at you with another beer. This is the first beer. It's not the first beer I've had, but it's the first beer I'm reviewing since I went on my little, it was supposed to be like 4 weeks, a month-ish. It was like 3-ish weeks. But I am back. And I'll probably do an update video at some point, but for now, this is happening. This was given to me by Matt from Messy Beers. I got this from him yesterday, and he was apparently down there, and he sent me a picture of the tap list and asked me if I wanted anything. And in my head, I was like, yes, everything. But I picked a couple things. And this one is, the brewery is Odd Bird Brewing. Odd Bird Brewing. I like that picture. I like the font too. But this is the Wick. It is a smoked Helles lager, 4.7%. Oh, that's a 0. Date is 6/20/21. Which it is June, so that makes sense. Thank you, Matt, for asking me if I wanted anything. So this was crawlered yesterday. I have not had anything from Odd Bird. I had not heard of them. Since I don't think I've heard of them since before yesterday, when Matt told me where he was. But yeah, bit of a head on there. Just over 3 fingers. And yeah, looks nice, clear, bright yellow. Little bit of yeah, it's like a golden yellow. It's super nice looking. Very light. Let's see if I can get a nose. I'm getting some lager vibes from here, but let's see if we can get anything else. Oh yeah, there is a very nice smoke component to this. There's a little bit of malt coming through, but the smokiness is the biggest thing that I am getting, and that excites me. So I'm going to stop talking and drink this. Thank you, Matt. Cheers. So, the beer is very light. The smokiness, though, is pretty big compared to most smoked lagers that usually people tend to, or brewers usually tend to fall on the lighter smoked. But this one, like, it's not obvious. It's not like Schlenkela, or however you pronounce that. I feel like, I don't know, maybe that's how you pronounce it. But like, it's definitely like, it's definitely getting to that ashtray what's the other thing? I'm blanking. Ashtray, like beef jerky, I think is the thing I'm trying to think of. Kind of thing. And as people who regularly watch my channel know, that is those kind of smoked beers are my favorite kind of smoked beers. Like the overly tastes like I'm licking an ashtray kind of thing. But you're also getting, so that smokiness is very big. I think I'm starting to get used to it. But it doesn't cover up the beer. Like, this is a very nice, light lager that is smoked. And I love this. I'm going to have to go check these guys out sometime. Check out the brewery. See what other kind of things I got going on. I have another crowler that I'm going to drink in a second. And then I'm going to go sit on the couch and process some forage stuff that Katie and I have picked over the last couple days. But yeah. It's kind of cool because there's like, it's kind of reminding me of like a fruitiness. There's like this fruity thing, but it's like a non-sweet, I kind of want to say stone fruit thing, but you know me. I have no idea what I'm talking about or saying or anything. Yeah, this is super good. So yeah, thank you, Matt, for grabbing this for me. And yeah, hope you're all doing well, staying safe, taking care of yourselves. The world is opening up, or at least some of the states are opening up basically completely. So hope everybody's staying comfortable, I should say. Doing what you're comfortable with. And yeah, I forget what the things that I say are. Hope you're supporting local. I think this place is like an hour and a half from here. Down. It says on here, doesn't it? Brewed in Stockton, New Jersey. So it's like, it's kind of down towards Philadelphia. But yeah, supporting local. You can like this video if you would like to. You can subscribe to the channel if you have not already. You can follow me on Instagram at 93lumber, spelled out 93lumber. And thank you, Matt, again. And we will see you in the next one. Cheers.